I bought and tested these face masks, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're tired of staring down at those pesky blackheads and whiteheads, stick around. I've got the lowdown on the top 5 products that actually deliver results. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. BioRay Original Blackhead Remover Strips. First up, let's talk about the BioRay Original Blackhead Remover Strips. I remember the first time I used these strips. I was skeptical but curious. It was a Friday night and I was ready for a little self-care after a long week. I applied the strip to my nose, feeling a mix of excitement and anxiety. After 10 minutes, I peeled it off, and to my surprise, it was like a magic trick. The strip had lifted all the gunk from my pores, revealing clearer skin right before my eyes. The experience was honestly satisfying. Seeing all that dirt and oil on the strip made it feel like a mini victory. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, these strips use C-bond technology, which is designed to bind to blackheads, not skin, ensuring a comfortable removal experience. They're oil-free and non-comedogenic, so they won't clog your pores further. Plus, the citrus scent is refreshing, making the whole experience feel a bit more luxurious. However, there's a catch. They're not a permanent solution. If you have a lot of blackheads, you'll need to use them regularly, and sensitive skin might find them a bit abrasive if overused. So, why should you buy this? If you're looking for an instant fix and a fun, easy way to unclog your pores, the BioRay strips are a fantastic choice. They're budget-friendly and you can see results quickly. Just make sure to follow up with a good moisturizer afterward to keep your skin balanced and hydrated.
Product number 2. Medicube Zero Pore Blackhead Mud Facial Mask. Next on the list is the Medicube Zero Pore Blackhead Mud Facial Mask. I was intrigued by the Korean beauty trend, and this mask promised rapid results. When I first opened the jar, the mud had a smooth, thick consistency that felt luxurious. I applied it generously across my face and felt an immediate cooling sensation that was surprisingly soothing. In just 3 minutes, I could feel it tightening as it dried, and I was eager to see the results. After rinsing it off, my skin felt fresh and rejuvenated, almost like I had just come from a spa treatment. Let's weigh the pros and cons. One of the standout features is its quick-drying formula, which is perfect for busy folks. It combines AHA, BHA, and PHA to exfoliate and detoxify your skin, leaving it radiant. Plus, it's dermatologist-tested, so you know it's safe for all skin types. On the downside, if you prefer a mask with a more relaxing application time, this might feel rushed. Also, the jelly brush is not included, which could be inconvenient if you're not prepared. Why buy this? If you want a fast-acting mask that fits into your busy lifestyle while still delivering significant results, the Medicube mask is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who are serious about skincare but need efficiency.
Product number 3. Lanbina Blackhead Remover Peel-Off Mask. Third on our list is the Lanbina Blackhead Remover Peel-Off Mask. I remember being a bit apprehensive about peel-off masks, as they can sometimes be painful, but I was willing to try it out. The first application was straightforward. I simply applied it to my nose and waited for it to dry. The scent of aloe vera was pleasant, and as it dried, I noticed the mask pulling at my skin. When it was time to peel it off, I braced myself. To my delight, it came off easily and revealed cleaner skin underneath. It was satisfying to see the results right away. In terms of pros and cons, this mask is super easy to use and works wonders in extracting blackheads and impurities without irritation. It's gentle enough for all skin types, making it versatile for anyone. However, it might not work effectively on deeper blackheads, so if you have stubborn ones, you might need additional treatments. Why buy this product? If you're looking for a hassle-free, effective way to remove blackheads without the fuss, the Lanbina mask is your best bet. Plus, the natural ingredients mean your skin will be left feeling nourished rather than stripped.
Product number 4. New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask. Now, let's talk about the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask, which has become a favorite in my routine. When I first applied it, I loved the creamy texture and the way it felt cooling on my skin. The rich minerals from the Dead Sea felt like a luxurious treat, and after leaving it on for about 15-20 minutes, I rinsed it off to find my skin felt incredibly soft and rejuvenated. The mask not only helped with blackheads, but also gave my complexion an overall boost. On the pro side, this mask is packed with natural ingredients and is free from alcohol and parabens, which is great for maintaining skin health. It refines pores and absorbs excess oil, so it's perfect for those with oily or combination skin.
However, it's essential to note that if you have sensitive skin, you might want to do a patch test first, as some might find the minerals a bit intense. Why should you consider this mask? If you're after a spa-quality treatment that provides deep cleansing and revitalization, the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask is a fantastic choice. It's versatile for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing.
Product number 5. Lanbana Upgraded 2.0 Bamboo Charcoal Blackhead Remover Mask. Last but definitely not least, we have the Lanbana Upgraded 2.0 Bamboo Charcoal Blackhead Remover Mask. I was excited to try this one, especially since it boasts a stronger formula. As I applied it, I noticed the thicker consistency, which felt like it was really going to do the job. The charcoal worked wonders in pulling out impurities, and even though it felt a bit sticky, it dried nicely. When it was time to peel off, the mask came off cleanly, and I could see it had done its job well. My skin felt so much cleaner and looked visibly clearer. Pros include its strong absorption properties, making it excellent for those stubborn blackheads. It's also gentle enough for all skin types, which is a huge plus. The cons? Some might find the application a bit too sticky, and it can be a bit messy if you're not careful. Why buy this product? If you're serious about tackling blackheads and want something that really works, the Lanbana Upgraded 2.0 mask is worth every penny. It's effective, easy to use, and can fit into anyone's skincare routine.